Hi, listeners. Welcome back to Kokachin channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What is your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now.
51. Harry Marsh was a driving examiner who had to test people who wanted to get a driving license. One day he came out of his office as usual and saw a car at the side of the road, with a young man in it. He got into the car beside the driver and told him to check the lights, then the brakes and then all the other usual things. The driver performed everything promptly and faultlessly, without saying a word. Then Harry told the driver to start his engine and drive forward. Then he told him to turn right into a side road, stop, go backwards into another side road and then drive to the office again. On the way, the driver said to Harry politely, "Could you please tell me why we are doing all these things? I was passing through this town and only stopped to look at my map." Find out the best title for the story.
If you find it useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.